So we'll go now to the peninsula because people are getting out. All that progress in fighting the pandemic means that the rides, the games, the attractions, and the foods are back. Summer's here, the fairs are here.
And folks are getting out, and one of the places they are flocking to is the San Mateo County Fair, which kicks off today. Obviously, like things are right now, still some restrictions in place. That is where we find our Gayle live with a look at how things are going. Gayle, I got my list of all the fair food I need you to rack up for me before you leave.
Yeah, a lot of corn dogs and funnel food. The parking lot here is jam-packed, and people are just getting here as we speak. Got some excited folks behind me. And just what people have been telling me all day, it is now what it used to be, a go-to place for families.
So much fun. The rides are really fun.
It's one of the first outings for 9-year-old Max Miller and his family.
We're so happy to be able to be out and doing things, and for the kids to be able to be out and having fun and going on rides like this. It's incredible.
I feel like I'm just like free, just to move about and have fun and, you know, just enjoy stuff with the kids in white.
The San Mateo County Fair kicked off Saturday after having to cancel last year due to the pandemic.
It's really wonderful to see. I mean, I think that everyone's so anxious to gather again. And of course, we've been the COVID central for San Mateo County for the last 18 months, and we're so excited to be able to flip that switch and go back to close to normal.
Marcela Aguilar did not want to miss opening day.
We had been going around this time because it's her birthday every year, and then we missed last year, so I knew that we were for sure coming this year.
San Mateo County is in the less restrictive yellow tier. The fairgrounds is operating at 35% capacity. Masks are required, and steps away, a COVID vaccination clinic. A shot in the arm gets you free admission and a voucher for free food and free carnival rides.
I know that over 200 got vaccinated today, and so it's been quite popular, and so we expect probably at least a couple hundred a day.
Fair officials say young people in particular are getting their vaccine and getting their free ticket, and they say the tip is they come extra early, first thing right when they open. You may be able to hear the band's playing, so the energy is still very much electric at this hour. The fair will go on through June 13th, but will be closed on upcoming Monday and Tuesday. Live in San Mateo, Gayle Ong, KRON 4 News.
Go there, get a COVID shot, get in for free.